Bokeh or bust? Why I picked the NIKKOR Z 35mm f1.8s over a 35mm f1.4.
Deadlines looming, light fading, and your sharp shots still look mushy? Maybe your mirrorless kit feels like it's fighting you more than helping. Street, travel, even portraits, everything takes too many tries. Ever felt like your tools are working against you? Drop an idea if this sounds familiar. Tell me where it hurts. Focus noise, shaky handhelds, or flat, lifeless bokeh?
You're juggling deadlines, a twitchy AF motor, and the fear of missing the moment. Low light turns to high ISO grain, and handheld video wobbles like a jelly tripod. Creative burnout creeps in when every fix adds another menu dive. Imagine if there was a way to take control without adding more chaos. What if simplicity could outpace speed? Today. Really?
Meet the Nikon NIKKOR Z 35mm f1.8s Z-mount prime that turns stress into crisp, confident frames. If you're struggling with missed focus or jittery video, this may change your game. A fast f1.8 aperture, 11-element 9-group design with ED and aspherical glass, plus Nano Crystal Coat, deliver uncanny sharpness and clean contrast from center to edge. The ultra-quiet stepping autofocus and focus breathing suppression make hybrid shooting feel cinematic, while Z-camera 5-axis stabilization keeps handheld stills steady and video smooth. Mini story. A wedding shooter caught candlelit vows at ISO 800 instead of 6400 thanks to the wide aperture and precise AF. Skin tones glowed, background bokeh melted. Another time, I spun the customizable control ring for silent aperture pulls during a talking head clip. Close focus at 0.25 meters invites intimate detail, menus, rings, latte art, while 9 rounded blades shape creamy circular highlights that flatter faces, city lights, and night streets. Here's one way the Nikon NIKKOR Z 35mm f1.8s saved the day for a busy professional. Keep reading for the bonus trick at the end.
Benefits? Think faster focused decisions, fewer missed moments, and footage that looks steadier than your coffee hand. The NIKKOR Z 35mm f1.8s concentrates efficiency, silent STM autofocus, minimal focus breathing, intuitive control ring, weather sealing, and edge-to-edge sharpness that makes cropping feel fearless. It's the sharpest 35 we've tested, a top photojournal raved. A wedding pro told me it never leaves my Z6 II, silent and accurate during vows. A gear analyst noted, ED and aspherical elements crush fringing and coma. Corrections are minimal. One YouTuber added, breathing is practically gone. Cinema clean focus pulls. Real users echo it. Colors pop. ISO stays low, and it's small enough to carry all day. Is f1.8 enough? With modern sensors, yes. Plus, the lens's rendering is beautifully natural, with creamy bokeh and confident contrast. See why thousands can't stop talking about this. Imagine grabbing decisive street moments, then gliding into interviews without swapping glass. Doesn't that simplify your kit and brain? Which feature would save your day? Comment below, and I'll drop my favorite setup for handheld night video that looks like it rode on rails. Plus, I'll share a 1-minute exposure cheat that keeps skin tones glowing under tungsten.
Ready to move faster and shoot cleaner? Limited stock. Join thousands who've leveled up with the Nikon NIKKOR Z 35mm f/1.8s. Don't wait. Lock in edge-to-edge sharpness, silent autofocus, low-light confidence, and creamy bokeh today. Comment yes if you want to unlock the secret tip inside. Click now and unlock a hidden setup that trims noise, steadies handheld video, and makes your Z-mount workflow feel effortless. Don't just watch, jump in and transform your workflow today. Early buyers get a downloadable quick start preset pack for street, skin, and night.